أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Sayyid Shanila, your English teacher. We had already seen and I had already explained you the 11th chapter of the first unit, Be a Good Speaker. Now we are going to see its exercise and I am going to explain you the questions and answers in this video. The first one is, listen and say whether the following statements agree with the passage or not. What you have to do for this is open your book and see the answers accordingly. The first one is, you should always speak softly but clearly. Is it true? Yes. हमने कैसे बोलना चाहिए दूसरों से, आई मीन विद द ऑडियंस, और हम जब स्पीच दे रहे होते हैं तो हमें कैसे बोलना चाहिए? सॉफ्टली और क्लियरली, मतलब आराम से, इतना भी आराम से नहीं कि लोगों को सुना नहीं आए और इतना भी ज़ोर से नहीं कि लोग फेड अप हो जाए. तो हमें नरमी से और क्लियर बात करनी है, ज़्यादा फास्ट भी नहीं, ज़्यादा स्लो भी नहीं, क्या सामने वाला बोर हो जाए. सो वी शुड ऑलवेज स्पीक सॉफ्टली बट क्लियरली. In a discussion, you should share your ideas with others. Yes, when you are discussing or when you are in a debate, you should share your thoughts and ideas with others in a discussion. है ना? Correct. हमें डिस्कशन में अपने आइडियाज़ और थॉट्स, हम जो सोचते हैं और हमारी जो फीलिंग्स है वो दूसरों को भी एक्सप्रेस करना चाहिए. नहीं तो हमारा टैलेंट कैसे पता चलेगा किसी को? If you don't understand something, don't let the others know about it. Is it true? No. If you don't understand something, then ask for an explanation politely. हमें कैसे चाहिए explanation? Politely पूछना चाहिए हमने. You should try to talk most of the time whenever there is a discussion. No, it's wrong. We should not try to talk most of the time whenever there is a discussion. We should let others also speak. हमने all time बड़बड़ नहीं करना चाहिए, all time हमारी बातें बोलना नहीं चाहिए. हमने अदर लोगों को भी चांस देना चाहिए बोलने के लिए. You should look at the person you are talking to. Yes. While speaking, we should always look at the person we are talking to. If you are delivering a speech and you have a large number of audience, you should have eye contact such that your audience see you. मतलब हमने बोलते वक्त सामने वाले बंदे की आँखों में आँख डाल के बोलना चाहिए. When you want to make a speech, there is no need to think about it in advance. Is it true? When you want to make a speech, we should think over it and plan our speech in advance. नहीं तो हम कैसे बोलेंगे? हम तो डर जाएंगे, सामने जाएंगे और हमें कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. Then people will laugh at us. अरे इनका तो स्पीच था और इन्हें कुछ भी नहीं आया. So we should always plan prior giving the speech. हमें plan out करना चाहिए and we should try to memorize it and speak without looking into our sheet. मतलब हम जिससे हमारा स्पीच लिखेंगे तो हमने उसे मेमोराइज करना चाहिए ताकि हम सामने अच्छे से बोल सकें और क्लियरली बोल सकें. Now answer the following questions. What are the things to keep in mind while speaking in front of an audience? The things required to keep in mind while speaking are: speak clearly, look at the person or persons when you talk to them, be polite and be pleasant, and give a thought to other person's feelings and interests. You should always speak clearly while speaking. Look at the person or people when you talk to them. You should speak politely and pleasantly and give a thought to the other person's feelings and interests. The next one is, what should you do when you want to interrupt someone in a discussion? What should you do? मतलब आपको कोई पॉइंट नहीं समझा और आप उनसे चाहते कि आप ये सामने वाले से चाहते हैं कि आप वो पॉइंट समझे, या फिर कोई आप किसी से एग्री नहीं कर रहे या किसी से डिसएग्री कर रहे, तो आप उन्हें ना हर्ट करते हुए उनसे कैसे पूछेंगे, कैसे उन्हें इंटरप्ट करेंगे? When you want to interrupt someone in a discussion, then we should use polite words and expressions जैसे pardon sir, excuse me sir, sir can you please explain me this, sir I disagree with you, sir I'll agree with you, ऐसे पूछोगे आप, ऐसे बोलोगे. When you want to interrupt someone in a discussion, then we should use polite words and expressions. What should you do when you plan to give a speech? What should you do? We should do the following. Plan your speech in advance. हमने देखा था we should plan our speech in advance. Note the points and arrange them properly. We should note the points and arrange them properly. Rehearse the speech in our mind and go ahead. We should rehearse the speech in our mind and go ahead. I hope you have understood the exercise. Try to learn the answers and try to do self-study at your home. Jazakallah khairan for listening. I am signing off.